Welcome to Custom Music Distribution, and this is a video on how to get an affiliate marketing agreement with Amazon as a music artist. Okay, so this is my affiliate influencer program with Amazon. So mine is www.amazon.com/shop/promo for creators. So why do you want this? First of all, this is how you can use it as a music artist. So if I click on my Amazon affiliate program, you see that I have music equipment, marketing books, microphones, and other gear. But what I also have, if I click on music equipment, I also have one of my songs on Amazon. So basically what you can do, you could sell your music on Amazon and also get an additional cut because you're an affiliate with Amazon. All right. And also, let's say they do buy your single or your album and they buy something else off of Amazon, you also get a cut on everything else. So if someone buys this single right here and let's say they also buy, a drum machine or something, I'll get a cut for the single, and then I'll get another cut for the $600 drum machine. So this is another way you could make money as a music artist. All right, so I'm going to show you how I did this. So first, I grew an account. This is an influencer program, so you have to have high numbers, high engagement in a social media account. So I grew my Facebook account, eFit Media. All right, so I grew it to almost 7,000 followers, and I did that using Facebook ads, and it's really easy to do. And I didn't spend that much money, by the way, in my Facebook ads, but it landed me the opportunity to become an Amazon influencer. So if you don't have an Instagram account with a lot of followers or a YouTube channel with a lot of subscribers, you could easily grow your Facebook page account and get an influencer program with Amazon. All right. If you need help growing your Facebook account, I have online courses to help you out. You could go to www.custommusicdistribution.com and then go to shop and then go to courses. I have a Facebook ads course right here. It's on sale. If you want an additional account, just type in course 10 at checkout and you'll get an extra 10% off.